If you think you need 1,000 subscribers before you can make any money on YouTube, there's something you need to know. YouTube actually has more than one monetization level, and most small creators don't understand the difference. So in this video, I'm going to explain exactly how YouTube monetization works, what you actually need, and which requirements unlock ad revenue.
My channel isn't monetized yet, so I'm not going to show you fake earnings. Instead, let me show you exactly how the system works and what you should expect when you qualify.
Let's start with the number everyone knows: 1,000 subscribers. To qualify for YouTube's full monetization level, you need 1,000 subscribers and either 4,000 valid public watch hours from long-form videos within the last 12 months, or 10 million valid public shorts views within 90 days. And there's an important detail here. Those 4,000 hours are not simply every hour shown in your analytics. Watch time from shorts viewed in the shorts feed does not count toward the 4,000-hour requirement. So if you're building a long-form channel, you need to focus on getting people to actually watch your public long-form videos. But here's where things get interesting. YouTube also has an earlier access level of the partner program. In eligible countries, creators can qualify with 500 subscribers, 3 public uploads in the last 90 days, and either 3,000 valid public watch hours in the last 12 months or 3 million valid public shorts views in 90 days. But this lower level is not the same as getting ad revenue from your videos. It can give eligible creators access to features such as fan funding and certain shopping features. The 1,000 subscriber level is the one you need for watch page ads, shorts feed ads, and YouTube Premium revenue. So don't confuse 500 subscribers with full ad monetization. Now here's the part that matters most if you're a small creator. Don't spend all your time thinking about the numbers. You can have 1,000 subscribers and still fail the monetization review if your channel doesn't follow YouTube's monetization policies. Your content needs to provide real value. That means don't simply upload hundreds of nearly identical videos, copy other people's content, or use automation to produce videos with little original value. Use AI if it helps you. Use editing tools. Use voiceovers. Use whatever tools make your production easier. But make sure the finished video actually gives viewers something worth watching. And if you're trying to reach monetization, don't buy subscribers or watch hours. You need genuine viewers who actually want your content. So if you're currently below 1,000 subscribers, don't look at that number and think you're finished. You only need to keep building. Improve your titles. Improve your thumbnails. Make people want to click. And most importantly, make videos people actually want to watch until the end. If you're working toward YouTube monetization right now, tell me your current subscriber count in the comments. And subscribe to TrendMeek for more practical videos about YouTube, AI, online business, and monetization. I'll see you in the next one. Before you go, check out some of my older videos too. You might find something useful there that you've missed. I'll see you in the next one.